Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity Trust Service account. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity Trust account, this video is definitely going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. Now you can log into your Fidelity account through the mobile app on your mobile device, or you could choose to do so on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on accounts and then click on trust services, and here you can initiate the trust services account setup process. You're just going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's going to include your trust details, and then once you're done with that, just choose the trust service options, and then you confirm the trust service account details. Make sure everything is accurate, and from there on you can monitor the trust service account activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity Trust Service account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next